stock number 5218 2009 Nissan Xterra S Hot SUV, cool price. Stunning. A true driving machine. Nissan has outdone itself with this charming 2009 Nissan Xterra. High performance at this price just doesn't get any better. You simply can't have more of a ball in a vehicle for this amount of money. It is nicely equipped with features such as electronic stability, tilt steering wheel, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, roof rack, rails only, illuminated entry, driver vanity mirror, front center armrest, front cup holders, front reading lights, passenger vanity mirror, outside temperature display, driver door bin, power windows, split folding rear seat, passenger door bin, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, overhead airbag, panic alarm, ABS brakes, front wheel independent suspension, anti-whiplash front head restraints, occupant sensing airbag, low tire pressure. Warning: dual front side impact airbags, rear anti-roll bar, security system, dual front impact airbags, front anti-roll bar, traction control, speed sensing steering, sporty reclining front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, 16x 7.0 aluminum alloy, speed control, and 3.133 axle ratio. Nissan Certified Pre-Owned means you not only get the reassurance of up to a 7 years per 100,000-mile warranty, but also a 142-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, trip interruption services, and a complete vehicle history report. Come down to Sonora Nissan today for a test drive.